Hey guys, this is Monique, MzMo2You. Thank you so much for joining me on today. I am going to be having fish and chips. I have some fish and some french fries, and I am going to say grace and get it in. I hope you guys had an awesome weekend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video. Also turn on post notifications so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Lord, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive and give nourishment and strength to my body. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Woo. I know it's been a few days. I don't like my ketchup on my french fries, so I'm going to put it on the side. I like to dip them. So, yeah. I got a new camera, so I'm testing out my camera now. I did not know what I wanted to eat today, so I just decided to do some fish and chips. The only thing about when I fix fish and chip, I don't like cold french fries. Ooh. You know what, guys? I forgot. I made me some homemade tartar sauce. I am going to get my tartar sauce. I'll be back in one quick second. I am back. I made some homemade tartar sauce. Yes, I did. Let's see. That tastes really good. I am so hungry. I started to order some Chinese food. I think I changed my mind about what I wanted to eat like 2 or 3 times. My neighbor is playing Christmas music. I hear it clean through the wall. This is so good. Ooh, it's hot. This is good. Like I said, I hope you guys had a great weekend. I have been busy the last few days. And then I think I didn't have a voice for like a couple days. My voice goes in and out. So and I mean, it was really raspy. And I know you could probably hear the raspiness in it now. So you're going to hear me a couple times clear my throat kind of, sort of, because I can kind of feel when it's coming on. And sometimes that works, and sometimes it don't. If y'all haven't checked out my other videos, go show your girl some support. I have to figure out what I want to eat next. And I can't eat a lot of the foods I used to eat. Which is nothing wrong with it. I just can't do it. This tartar sauce is good. I use 4 ingredients to make. I think I use mayonnaise, relish, mustard, and a little bit of lemon juice. My french fries is getting cold pretty fast. I felt like I had something in my eye. And y'all stay safe, wear your mask, wash or sanitize your hands. Because this situation is real. I currently have several family members quarantined, and one of them have the virus because she works in the medical field. So make sure you're following the guidelines, guys. I can't wait to play this back and see how this came out on my new camera. I didn't realize I had put so many videos on my phone to where it was literally took up all the memory. Because I think each one of my videos, some of them were like 3 gigs. Some of them were, I think it was only a few of them that was higher than that, but it was taking up a lot of space. That is so good. I think that's like a peach water I'm drinking. I did put some hot sauce on my fish. I think these are cod fillets. But they taste so good. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. This is good. Good, good, good. I have a gingerbread house I need to put together. I don't know if I'm going to do it on this channel or on my daughter's channel. But nonetheless, I'm going to leave her YouTube channel down in the description box below. And I will let you guys know when it's done. Ooh, excuse me, why? I will find out how this video look. I hope I'm going to learn how to use my camera. I have to find me some new glasses. I was looking on this website the other day, and I saw a couple glasses that I like, but the ones that I wanted were sold out. So I'm like, oh well. But I definitely have to get me some more glasses. And these are prescription glasses, so I definitely have to find. I like these frames. I wish they can put new lenses in old frames. But a lot of times they won't. They want you to buy new frames. Now, if y'all know of some places where I can use my same frames and they put the lenses in, let me know down in this comment. Ooh, guys, that was good. Thank you so much for joining me on today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Also, turn on post notifications so you'll be notified the next time I drop a video. I will get you guys or bring you guys some videos when I am able. I thank you so much for your patience and the love that you have shown me thus far. And I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to you later. Bye.